video we'll be making cake parfait, and we'll be using chocolate cake, vanilla cake. The link will be in the description box and the end of this video. And we'll also be using white chocolate, dark chocolate, and Greek yogurt. I'll start by adding the chocolate cake, and after that I'll add the Greek yogurt, followed by the vanilla cake. I'll repeat this till I reach the quantity I'm okay with. Once I'm done layering, I'm going to top it up with dark chocolate and white chocolate, and your parfait is ready. The links for the chocolate and vanilla cake will be in the description box and also at the end of this video. And if you've gotten to this point, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, share, and leave your comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.